up late at night grading those writing pieces you have put off doing for some time now. Do you feel like this poor teacher who is losing her mind trying to read and understand her students' writing pieces? Do your students lose their notes for their writing, which makes their pieces unorganized and hard to understand? If organization is not your student's strongest characteristic, the Evernote app is what you need. Evernote helps students stay organized by quickly adding notes, creating to-do lists, and reminders. Evernote is a great starting point for blogging. With Evernote, all of their notes, web clips, files, and images are made available on every device and computer they use. Evernote is recommended for students in 5th grade and higher. How many of you have those students that won't participate in class discussions or collaborate with their peers? KidBlog will help those students find their voice in a comfortable setting. In KidBlog, students publish posts and participate in academic discussions within a secure classroom blogging community. Students can write for an authentic audience in a safe environment. KidBlog provides teachers with the tools to help students safely navigate the digital world. KidBlog allows students to exercise digital citizenship within a private classroom blogging space. KidBlog is designed for K-12 students. Through blogging, you are able to differentiate instruction for all of your students. Blogging can also be integrated into all content areas, which leads to the question, why not blog? Blogging can improve students' writing skills and build their confidence as writers. Blogging allows students to write in a low-stakes environment and gives them a sense of claiming their own voice. With technology like KidBlog and Evernote, students are able to produce and publish writing. It also allows for interaction and collaboration with others. A class blog can provide a workspace for students to share thoughts, drafts, or projects in a relatively low-stakes environment, as well as provide an avenue for quieter students to speak and contribute ideas. Here's an example of a page in KidBlog. The teacher post is at the top and the student comments are down below. As the teacher, you are able to edit, delete, or approve each comment. Have you ever noticed that when students take ownership in their work, they produce something they are proud of? One type of writing using technology is digital storytelling. You may be asking, what is digital storytelling? Digital storytelling involves the telling of our personal stories, using digital technology to integrate text, sound, graphics, and sometimes film. According to the Common Core State Standards and the American Association of School Librarians, technology has to be included in the education of our students. Writing Standard number 3.6 says, with guidance and support from adults, students will use technology to produce and publish writing, as well as to interact and collaborate with others. When you have access to meaningful web applications and you are following the standards, your students will reap the benefits. The American Association of School Librarians provides a website that shows the connection between the Common Core Standards and the American Association of School Librarian Standards. This is a resource to have on hand to make sure you are meeting the standards for the 21st century learner. Now, back to the question from the beginning. Do you have students who are unorganized, won't participate in class discussions, and won't collaborate with their peers? Are you looking for a tool that will make your students' writing enjoyable to read because they took ownership in it, and create a writing piece that is easy to read and enjoyable at the same time? Well, KidBlog and Evernote are just what you need. According to the American Association of School Librarians, KidBlog and Evernote were two of the best apps for teaching and learning in 2013. You may be asking, how do I assess student writing on KidBlog? Here is an example of a rubric. The rubric lets students know what is expected of them and clearly states the expectations for the project. Rubrics also help students see that learning is about gaining specific skills, and they give students the opportunity to do a self-assessment. Now that you know all the wonderful things Evernote and KidBlog can do for you, let's take a look at the user guide and get started.